going to talk about our peppered summer sausage. And when we make our peppered summer sausage, we use a cloth casing. And the inside of this cloth casing is lined with pepper. So as we stuff the sausage into the cloth casing, and then we hang the sausage onto a rack, and then the rack goes into the smokehouse. Now after the cooking and the smoking of the summer sausage, and then when we remove the casing, the pepper is transferred from the inside of the casing to the summer sausage. So what you get is a beautiful summer sausage, and we'll demonstrate that as we pull this casing off. And like I said, as we remove the casing from the summer sausage, the pepper is transferred to the summer sausage. So what you get is something that is a little smoky, a little spicy just from on the outside, and it's a great, great tasting product. And this is something that we make with our venison and our other products. So come into the Hermann Wurst House and try a sample or purchase our peppered summer sausage. Great flavor, some spices, hickory smoked, shelf stable, great product. Come on and see us at the Hermann Wurst House.